Hey there, amazing tarot and oracle card readers. Let me guess, you're pouring your heart and soul into your readings, your product, your business, but the sales, they're just not where you want them to be. If you're ever thought, why is this so hard? Where are my dream clients? Why isn't my magic translating into money? I get it, and I've got you. Nobody wants to pull this card. We're not manifesting it, okay? It's time to fix this energy. Join me live on Zoom for a strategy session where we're going to, in 2 hours, going to show you how to attract paying clients without chasing them, the three biggest business mistakes most readers make and how to fix them now, a marketing strategy that actually works for spiritual businesses, and plus you're getting 3 free workbooks to start building your dream biz. Success is calling. Are you answering? I am Joey Wargachuk, and I have over 10 years experience, and there are spots available for you to join. Register now, and I will see you now. Let's make the magic happen.